And I will give as a warning, you will see why. This is not a porno movie. Although it may look like it. The word deep throat comes easily into mind.
We shall speak today, this evening, of contemporary arts. Maybe we can say at the philosophical level first and at the poetical level after. It's better?
Yes.
Okay. First, contemporary art is a critical art. An art which is also a critic of all forms of classical, romantic, or even modern forms of artistic creation.
No problem?
The second definition is contemporary art is an art which is separated from the real, because its goal is the creation of a new real. I am sorry. Along the lines of the first definition, a work of art must be the active negation of all established definitions of art. In some sense, this vision is the realization of a famous sentence of Hegel. The art is something of the past. At the beginning, the art is something of the past. But that sort of realization is not only destructive. Much more, it's the idea that a work of art is the exact witness of its proper death. And there is many forms.
Not exactly identical, but not completely different. And it's a question of experience.
We have, for example, a purely nihilistic form of the death of art. The art must be destroyed by showing, artistically, that all forms of art impose a subjective alienation at the beginning. Art must become a part of life itself. I am sorry. With the contemporary art, we can wait for a new world. We can trust the future. And as André Breton, the French surrealist, writes in his book, Mad Love, Mad Love, I quote, independent of what happens and what does not happen, the weight itself is magnificent.
No problem?